What's up, guys? In this episode, we're going to talk about the reasons why your iPhone is not charging. And that is mainly due probably to a problem with the battery itself. We have to remember that batteries are not eternal, they have a some amount of charge cycles that they can go through until the battery stops working or becomes so inefficient that it only charges for several minutes or a couple of hours. So, the thing we can first check is we're going to go to our settings. Mine is right here, but you can always swipe down from the from the middle of your screen like so and type in the word settings. Okay, hit the settings icon right here. Okay, I'm gonna go back here just so we can start from the top. And okay, when you open your settings app, this is the beginning. We're going to scroll down, and right here where it says battery, hit on that. Okay, so there's this section here that says battery health. Let's click on that. Okay, so this is the first section which says maximum capacity. As you can see, mine is at 100%. This is a very good indicator on the overall health of your battery. A battery that is 80% or lower is highly recommended to actually change the battery, because when it's at 80% or lower, it's going to have a lot of trouble retaining a charge. Your iPhone is not going to last nearly as long as it did when it was new. So if it's really below 80%, let's for example say that it's at 30%, that is an obvious indicator that you need to change your battery. Now, regarding the price points of an iPhone, changing a battery is actually quite common, so it's not a very expensive part. So just so you can consider that. Then we have this section right here where it says peak performance capability. So it says built-in dynamic software and hardware systems will help encounter performance impacts that may be noticed as your iPhone battery chemically ages. Okay, so basically, if there's a problem with the charging capacity here, it's going to indicate it in this section right here. The problem with batteries that have aged too much, that have too many charge cycles, they also run into this problem where they cannot perform well under pressure. When you have a lot of apps or you're using an application that uses a lot of resources and a lot of battery power, if your iPhone's battery is not at full strength, and it's going to have trouble running those applications. So if that is the case, your iPhone right here is going to notify you of that problem. And again, if you run into that particular problem, it's time to change your battery. So another thing you can also check that perhaps not related to your battery is this is the actual charging cable itself. Okay, this is very important. Sometimes the cable itself gets damaged. You may have tugged on it too hard and you broke the cable inside without you even noticing it. The other thing that also gets damaged, is pretty common to get damaged, is the tip, the charging tip itself. You may have stepped on it, or perhaps you have plugged and unplugged your cable into your iPhone so many times that it's no longer getting a full contact inside your iPhone, and therefore it's not passing electricity, and therefore it's not charging your iPhone. So the next thing you can check there is your iPhone's charging square. Okay, sometimes that's the thing that gets damaged. So all in all, you can try with a friend's charger, or if you have a second charger, try that. And you can also try it with just the cable and connecting it directly to your computer. Okay, so you can try all those alternatives and to see where the problem lies exactly. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for liking and subscribing, and stay tuned for my next videos.